Hey guys, and welcome to how to document your backend Python project. So here we have a small Python project that I just created, and we're going to see how to document this backend with Frumle. So when you come to your Frumle dashboard, you click on Create Project, then you select the language. In this case, it's Python. You press Next, and then you copy the installation code. Once you copy the installation code, you paste it in your console, and then you run it. So as you can see, it's successfully installed. So after that, the next step is we go back to the dashboard, click on Next, and then we copy the Frumle API key, go to our text editor, come down here, and then paste the code. Once that runs, it successfully connects the project to our Frumle dashboard. Now you can run Frumle and document the project. So you come back to your dashboard and press Next. You'd see the code you need to run it. You copy that, go to text editor, and then you run it. After running it, you see that it gives you certain instructions and then tells you that once the documentation is available, it's going to show on your dashboard. So let's go to our dashboard to see if it is done. You can see that the Python project has been successfully documented. It has 17 files and 32 endpoints. So let's open it to verify if it is documented properly. As you can see, it has the endpoints here. There are 32 endpoints and everything has been documented properly. Thank you for watching.